Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see last year's UG cutoff for Puducherry. Click the cutoff menu under Explore Neet UG. Select State Quota. Now we will see the Puducherry College list. Click the Sri Venkateswara Medical College. Here you can see last year's round-wise cutoff details for Sri Venkateswara Medical College Puducherry. SQ denotes Puducherry State Quota, OBC denotes the other backward classes, and the last number denotes the counseling round. AIR denotes All India rank, SR denotes state rank, and CR denotes category rank. Puducherry native candidates are eligible for these reservations under the state quota. For other backward class, the last year Neet score cutoff was 411. So this year, if your Neet score is above 411, you may have a chance of getting a government quota seat in Sri Venkateswara Medical College. After checking the cutoff, you may want to know the fees details for Sri Venkateswara Medical College. Let's see how to check. Go to the home screen. Click the Colleges menu. Select Puducherry State. Select Sri Venkateswara Medical College. You can see important information about Sri Venkateswara Medical College. Now we can see the college affiliated university, state, district, established year, and so on. This college was started in 2007. 150 MBBS seats are available here. You can find other important details of this college, such as 1,696 patient flow, 710 beds, bond, penalty, and stipend details. Tuition fees for Sri Venkateswara Medical College Medical is Rs 3,29,000 per year. Similarly, you can find fees for any college using the MBBSCouncil app. You will find state-wise, round-wise, category-wise, cutoff and college details available for all MD, MS, DNB courses in the MBBSCouncil app. Install the MBBSCouncil app. Link is given in the description below. If you are looking for MBBS admission, subscribe to our channel to get counseling updates. See you in the next video.